Oh, I've been plucking. I'm not really a serious player about since 65 off and on. I'm not really a serious musician. A crowd don't mean you're gonna make money, but the other performers think that's it. The crowd, they won't go to, well, you don't have many choices to go to spots. You only got this one in Jackson. But they still play other stops, but it's not a designated area. They need to open up the whole thing so the musicians will be happy, and the people will be happy. You got the guardian angels, right? They go to any stop they want. We are musical angels, but they categorize, I turned in the pocketbook with money in it the other day, So if I wasn't there, somebody else, they would have turned it in. It was an undesignated spot. So we look out for people too, like the guardian angels. But like I said, we're only musical angels. But they seem like when you being good, they punish you more so than doing, other things. I found out about it, and you get the requirements, and I started back in, I guess, 87, I guess 85, something, off and on.
Right.
Stop. A few years, come back, go back and forth. You have to have identification, $10, and they tell you to smile and get your picture. I look at it like this. I have more when I leave when I come. You can't really, it's not a job. It's a hustle. You cross your fingers. Yeah. You make a few bucks, It's not nothing to depend on.